What's good, family? What's good? So listen, we back on the chart Sunday markups. It definitely has been at least like 2 weeks since my last video. I do want to basically mark up for this Sunday to let's see what's going on going into this week, what we gonna trade, and what's actually happening. Now, first off, we're looking at GBP JPY. What I'm looking at for the month, we got 23 days left. I'm thinking that we more likely gonna come into this range for the month and we could see some type of buys. Excuse me. So yeah, honestly, I am looking for buys for the month. We're gonna let this break out. We're gonna catch that to the next zone. Let's see. Yeah, we really consolidated for like a week straight, probably 2 weeks for real. So it's been like hit and miss type stuff. So gonna see what's actually popping on here. Oh, hold on. So yeah, this is GBP JPY, the first chart that we're looking at. Like I said, it's mainly been consolidating, so we really just gonna see what's going on. The next thing that we got is USD JPY. Mm, mm, it's kind of ugly. It's kind of giving sell formation since we haven't broke this or broke this. So it look like that we may be starting to enter like a downtrend. But we're gonna see though. Cause I mean, technically we do have a lower high, so it is technically a downtrend at that point. So let's see. It's been kind of consolidating as well, so I haven't really did too much in USD JPY. Really just been letting it do what it do, as y'all see, like the past 3 weeks. Cause I did call out like a big move that I thought was gonna happen, which shoot, we ain't see that for like another. Actually, we still ain't got the full move, but we seen like the first TP get hit probably like a week later. So, and if you don't remember, I actually had called this position right up in here, which, as you see, we came close, but it still didn't give us that. And this was like a week later, so yeah. Actually, no, that's more than a week later. It's like 2 weeks later. So yeah, I mean, this consolidating, I really don't like this. I might not even trade this for real. It's just a lot of crap going on right there. So I might just avoid this until we get like some clear direction. So GPP, JPY, I mean GBP USD. My bad. Kind of got an uptrend going on for the month. I actually started the month off selling big. Now we buying. Kind of don't need this one down here. Next zone up here. Not sure what's going on. By the way, this is my first time marking up my charts before the week start. Since today is Sunday, I mean the market will open up today, so we're gonna see what's actually going on. I ain't gonna cap. I've been calling these plays left and right. So if you ain't in my Telegram catching these plays throughout the week, listen, tap in. It's free money. Oh, I ain't gonna say it's free money because you still gotta invest your money. But if you've been following my plays over the past month or so, you see that I've been smacking these markets. So you can literally come in and make you some money, and my Telegram is free. So literally, comment Telegram or comment trade, and I'll send you the link for my Telegram, so then you can go ahead and get in, or you can follow me at Ladarian_trades, and then you can click the link in my bio and get access to my free Telegram, to where you could come in and you could trade with me weekly, and you could make money with me. So what we looking at? Um, I ain't gonna lie, I don't really like this either. I do expect us to like give us a bar. But where we at right now, it's not ideal for me. I really would rather us get like some type of break out of this zone. It's kind of sideways, so I don't really like that. Like that, probably not gonna trade this until we get some type of breakout. It don't really look appealing to me. Now on the monthly, I mean, it do look like that we will go push. You feel me? But until then, I ain't finna touch this because it ain't did it yet. So I'm gonna wait because we've mainly just got sideways movement. So I'm gonna wait. So I don't really like that either. Let me see. Hmm, okay. GBPCHF. Um, we still really at these lows, which last what? It actually ended up giving us like a one. What was that? Like a 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 5. So off them very bottom lows, we ended up getting like a 1 to 5 off that, which I didn't even trade that initially. But I did see the move play out. Don't ask me why I didn't get it. I just didn't. I don't even have a logical response for it. I just didn't. So, mm, honestly, I just need to see what it's gonna do. I know that we still are at the all-time lows for this market. So, really, I expect us to continue to move up. Like, started to get a little bit of a reversal, but this don't give us reverse momentum. Like, or at least patterns. It's not showing reversal patterns just yet. Yeah, it's basically like we hit these lows, got us a retracement, and now we coming back down. So more than likely, once we come back down, if it is going to reverse, then it'll give us the inform make a formation to where we start to actually see like solid reversals. So I might not trade this either. This until that actually happen, and they give me a real clear reversal sign. Might just leave that alone as well. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie, I was looking at gold last week. Gold is at an all-time high, so gold literally got no structure to the left that we can actually follow because we are now at an all-time high. Gold has been going crazy this whole year for real. So gold, I mean, we broke out. I'm gonna say that we definitely broke out for the month. We didn't pass the previous zone, so I'm more than likely gonna grab me some positions in gold for real, and actually see what's popping. Cause we did just get the breakout last week, probably like the last few days, and since that's the case, I'ma just catch a 1 to 2. So then I ain't just holding like crazy, cause we, like I said, we don't have no structure on the left side. So I'm not looking to dang on Valhalla that for real, for real. Like I ain't finna hold this to the moon. I know some people will. I'm not though. I'm not holding this to the moon. I'm gonna grab my 1 to 2. I'll be down for the day. I'm cool with that. So, hmm. Yeah, we got the breakout. I mean, unless some change to where we come like clear all of this up or something like that, then yeah, I'm I'm more likely gonna catch some buys on gold. Let's see. The way it went up though is kind of ugly, so it might come clear this. Cause like if y'all have paid attention when the market move like this ugly movement, we more likely gonna come clear that at least. And then we got this, which that's okay. It ain't the worst, but when you have a market that's consolidating but moving up like this, we more than likely gonna clear this. This just kind of consolidated sideways and then moved up. And then kind of the same thing with that, but with this is probably gonna get cleared. So I actually might catch a sale right here. We're gonna see though. We definitely gonna see what it do coming into the open, cause like I said, we got breakouts to the new highs. So even if we do come and clear that, we more than likely gonna start moving back to the top side. So it probably just be a little like a little grab and then moving back up. So we're gonna see what's up. This is actually showing sell momentum, so I'm probably gonna continue to sell this. Let's see. Okay. And we've been there before. It came back. Boom. Huh. USD CHF is also at an all-time low, but it's giving patterns that we're going to continue to sell. So we might come grab some of what has been wicked out right here. Let's see. That's for the month. For the weekly, like I said, these are actually showing a bit of sell momentum, the way that they still going and the way that they look. Mm, yeah, that's that's still kind of ugly. I ain't gonna lie. The way that this is looking, we might sell a little bit, but we might really start back buying and start grabbing like top side of this box for real, for real. Even though this is looking like sell momentum, the way it looks when I tap in more, it kind of make me think. Because again, like I said, when the market moves ugly like this, to where it's sideways, but it's kind of going down, we probably gonna come and clear this, and then it's probably gonna start grabbing top sides. So we actually should be looking for buys just based on the way that this has formed, and we at all time lows. And the only thing that's really under that is just wick. The Yeah, so if you don't know what a wick is, this is basically the wick. The fact that the body of the candle, which is this like thick green part, closed way up there, but we left all of this like line basically way down here. So I mean we came down here, but we just came right back up. So it's technically a wick. And when you have wicks like that, we probably not finna come back and just like close below that unless we probably finna keep going lower than that. So I don't really think that'll be the case though. I really think that we finna come back and just like start closing on that wick for real. Which is possible. I mean, the market could do whatever it decides to do. I just don't think that'll be the play. I think that we will start actually grabbing some top side momentum and start going like into this zone up in here. So it's about 0.82412 and catch a nice run up there. So we're gonna see what actually happens with that. Like I said, just moving inside more. It kind of give me like the ugly motion with this. Like I don't really like that. And when it shows that, from my experience, I usually see us start to come back and clear this. So this also is like an indication that all right, this might not be a solid sell. That's something that I've noticed as a pattern over my time of just trading for real. So yeah, we're gonna see what's going on with that. We're gonna see what's up. I was like, yeah, probably gonna be a buy instead of a sell for real. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Then CAD JPY. Hmm. Okay. All right. CAD JPY. This is officially now a sale based on the fact that we never actually came back to clear the previous higher high. We basically formed a lower high, and unless we clear this section as well, then we basically got a second lower high right here. So yeah, because this section didn't close above this section, so we technically are in a sell trend right now, or at least we're forming one. Because overall, we are in a buy trend. Like overall, just looking at the pathway of this, but it looked like that we are starting to create a sell trend. So we're gonna see what's up with that. Let's see. I mean, we broke up out of this box. We did do that, and now that we broke up out of that box, we hit up there, retrace. Hmm. I really would say we gotta see. I see what's up. I don't really like this. I don't really like how these markets be so close. Like this is all like consolidation type. Like I don't like trading this. This is just ugly. This ain't ideal. It's not a trend. It's not. So I don't really like that. Probably not even gonna touch this market for real, for real. For overall though, it might go back to the top side and start buying. That's what I would look for, just based on what I'm seeing. I don't like this though, so I'm probably just gonna avoid this market completely and just not even get in unless some change or something like that. Then yeah, I'm probably not gonna trade that. I don't really like that. I don't really want to deal with that. So yeah, let's see. Man, these markets is kinda yeah. Alright, this is starting to form a bottom. Well, it had already formed a base bottom. This is the second base bottom, so we got a good chance that we might start pushing back up, which last week was straight buy momentum. If you caught this last week, then I mean that's good, because last week was like purely a buy. So we more likely will continue this trend, and we can start seeing like these levels up here, 1.39, 671. It's probably where we're gonna end the week off at, just depending on how much momentum we got and what actually happens. So we'll see. Let me see. Yeah, that's some room. I don't know why it's showing up so different, but yeah, we'll probably end the week off, breaking these levels and ending up there somewhere. So I'll probably actually catch this week. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I actually moved this up here. That's something that I'm a bit more interested in. And last thing, Euro USD for the month. I ain't gonna count. Past few months has actually been pretty decent. We are coming on to the top of this, so more likely we'll buy just based on that for real, for real. Go ahead and finish out that move. Yeah, then everything. Yeah, USD, JP. I mean Euro USD. That's a buy. I mean, just looking at the way the candles is talking to us, and you know how they look and everything. This is gonna be a solid buy to finish out that. I ain't saying that it's gonna go crazy, but it definitely still got some top side potential. So we're gonna see what's popping with that. Definitely gonna see. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a breakout at least to like this zone up here somewhere. And then once we get there, then we're probably gonna like retrace, then do what we do. And then once we start breaking this, then we're gonna start filling up this section as well. Cause this was a very nice trend from the top to the bottom. So yeah. And right here, we're more likely gonna break this top piece, come up in here. This should be like a 1 or 2 for you, depending on where you enter. And yeah, just get out, see what happens from there. And just to check Bitcoin, I ain't gonna fake Bitcoin been going crazy lately. So, well, at least over the past few months, or really just this whole year in general. Bitcoin gave some massive opportunity for real, for real. I don't even trade Bitcoin on a daily though. Not like in the markets. Not like day trading type thing. Mm, yeah, I don't really want to touch Bitcoin. We're gonna keep it there. I mean, I don't really trade Bitcoin anyway, so yeah. That's Sunday markups for everybody that's following along that you want to utilize my trades, you've made some money, or you want to make some money with me, I will make sure that I stay consistent as far as with keeping y'all updated on what's going on. Last month, I know that I wasn't as consistent with like making the videos for y'all and getting y'all like the information that y'all needed. I definitely stay in my Telegram though. So like I said, if you not in my Telegram Disruptor Society, listen, either go follow me on Instagram at Ladarian_trades and click the link in my bio and get access to my free Telegram so you can grab my trades weekly, or comment trades below it and I will send you the link to my Telegram so then you can get plugged in and you can stay connected to me like every single day on a weekly basis. Ask me questions, follow me along with the trades from when I enter my positions to when I close my positions. So then you can actually see what's going on and you don't really have to wait until Friday to get a recap or either until Sunday to get the next weekly positions. So definitely follow me. And hey, until next time,